Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan Depaul here, and also Ryan Depaul here. So, yes, you're not. Well, yes, technically you are seeing double. I guess you can't. I can't say you aren't seeing double. You're seeing me, and you're seeing my clone here too. I think he's down here, right here, or up there. He's there. He's on the screen. You see him, but I'm here to introduce you to him. This is Ryan Depaul AI, and I wanted to clone him. I've been working with some a great software and just a company I've been partnering with for some time. And what we did was actually clone myself. You used to say, oh, you wish you can clone yourself so you can be everywhere at one time and multiple times and do multiple things. Well, here we are. We're actually at that stage in life now that we can do that, virtually at least. Now, I did this to help my team and my business grow and be more successful because I am human. I do need to sleep. I don't speak multiple languages. I can't do everything all at once. Even though I try, but I have limitations as a human being, sorry. But this guy right here, this handsome young fella, has no limitation. He's always there. That's what's great about that. He has my name too. Oh, that's amazing, right? So I want to introduce you to Ryan Depaul AI. And he is actually an expert in network marketing. He's an expert when it comes to online marketing, social media marketing, and how to market your business online and just how to help your team be successful, no matter what it may be. And also what's great is that, well, I won't tell you everything. I want to show you guys. So let me go ahead and say hello to him because I don't want to be rude and not acknowledge him. So what's going on, Ryan? Hey, Ryan, how you doing today? Let's see if he answers.
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How can I assist you today? Are you looking for guidance on your network marketing journey?
Don't really sound like me right now, but we'll fix that later. But that 2.0 will be coming out pretty soon. But let me see. I do. Actually, I need help around when's the next meeting so I can get people to there and show them what the business is about. And I'm talking about Trinot. So if you can help me out with that, that'd be great. There you go. See what he says.
Great to hear you're focused on getting people to the next meeting. A simple and effective step is to personally invite your prospects and teammates. Explain the value they'll get from attending. Use a clear, confident pitch, something like, I'd love for you to join our meeting this Wednesday. You'll gain amazing insights and hear success stories that can inspire your journey. Would you like tips on crafting your invitation?
Yes, I would. Can you help me with that, please? Pretty cool.
Of course, here's a simple, effective invitation script. Hi, name, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to invite you to a special meeting this Wednesday at 6 p.m. PST, 9 p.m. EST. It's an amazing opportunity to learn more about our products, hear real testimonials, and explore our incredible compensation plan. I believe you'll find it valuable. Can I count on you to join us? Remember to follow up a day before to remind them. Would you want a follow-up script too?
No, I'm good right now. Thank you. But I would like to be able to invite some people who speak Spanish, and I don't speak Spanish. Can you help me with that?
Absolutely. Here's the invitation script translated to Spanish. Hola, nombre, espero que estés bien. Quería invitarte a una reunión especial este miércoles a las 6 p.m. PST, 9 p.m. EST. Es una oportunidad increíble para conocer más sobre nuestros productos, escuchar testimonios reales y explorar nuestro increíble plan de compensación. Creo que te será muy valioso. Puedo contar contigo para unirte. Feel free to use this for your Spanish-speaking prospects. Let me know if you need anything else.
That and yes, you can speak other languages too. So that's cool about that one. I might do a live demo and we can test them out sometime. So if you want to see that in a live demo, let me know and we can play with it. So you can play with Ryan. Keep your minds in the gutter, you nasties. But thank you so much. Now I do want to know about. Let's say, do you know about the pudding demo with Trinot? Let me see. This is a test. I don't know if we've done there yet. So
Yes, Tranont product demos can be very effective. For a successful demo, follow these steps. 1. Know the product inside out. 2. Show real-life applications and benefits. 3. Use a personal story or testimonial. 4. Keep it interactive. Let them ask questions. 5. Highlight simple, clear steps for using the product. Would you like tips on a specific product demo?
no, just that one.
Got it. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
That looks like the end there. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. It's so much things you can do with this. So let's say that you have people who speak Spanish and you're not fluent in Spanish or you don't know a lick of Spanish to save your life. This can actually help them because you can invite them to a whole team section, as you see right here. This is the whole team. So then you'll be able to. They can actually ask my avatar or your avatar. It depends on how we do that. But yeah, this can work for any business out there. It can work for your business. It can work for anything, any team that you have. It can be life coaching. It can be network marketing. It can be whatever it may be. It can be, seriously, guys, this helps. And what's nice about it is that it's there for you and your team 24/7. So if you don't know something, you can ask it yourself, because it'll be trained on everything that you would know, that you don't have to research all the time. Because sometimes you have people or your teammates like that. Hey, where's this at? Where's this meeting at? Or when's the next event? Or where's this document that shows me the comp plan? Or where's this and this can this CBD help with this? Or what does it do? And is it a full spectrum, or is it whatever spectrum? Things like that. You see, I said whatever. This will already know that, and I'll have all the answers. So I'll show you this one. Can you talk to me in Spanish and tell me about the Jeep for You program? We going live with this one. I'm just testing out with you right now.
Claro, con gusto te hablo sobre el programa Jeep for You de Tranont. El programa Jeep for You es un incentivo para los asociados de Tranont. Al alcanzar ciertos niveles de rendimiento y metas establecidas dentro de la empresa, puedes calificar para recibir un Jeep pagado por Tranont. Es una manera fantástica de motivar y recompensar a los que tienen éxito. ¿Te gustaría saber cómo calificar para este programa?
It sounds beautiful, and I don't know a lick of Spanish, but so can you say that in English for me?
Of course, here's the information in English. The Jeep for You program is an incentive for Tranont associates. By reaching certain performance levels and goals set by the company, you can qualify to receive a Jeep paid for by Tranont. It's a fantastic way to motivate and reward those who achieve success. Would you like to know more about how to qualify for this program?
Nah, I know more about it already. I actually already qualified and had a Jeep paid for. But if anyone else wants to know, they can come to the next event and find out more about it. But thank you.
That's fantastic. Congratulations on your achievement. Keep up the great work, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need any more tips or support. Proud of your success.
All right, so I'm going to stop it right there because we're 10 minutes and I don't want to go longer with this. But that's just a demo. I'm showing you what it can do. If you want to know more information, hey, let me know in the comments below. Don't be afraid of it. It's not going to bite you. Even if it wanted to, it can't bite you. Or if you wanted to, it can't bite you. But this thing is going to be doing awesome things. This thing my clone AI avatar is going to help a lot of people. It's going to help me, and it's going to give that more of that time freedom that we all crave and want. What's great about this is that here's the issue, and I know that this is an issue, and I'm going to talk to those people who don't like to feel like a bother and don't want to ask that question because they feel like, oh, this might be a stupid question, or I don't want to be embarrassed. You can ask this now. You can ask this clone. You can have it so that your team can ask this clone. You can ask this. Maybe you are a veteran and you don't want to ask that question to your up to corporate like that. Corporate, like, oh, you probably should know this because you've been here so long. But now you can ask this because it's all in there. It has all that information. We're human. We forget. It happens. But that's the thing, guys. Like, it makes it so much convenience for everyone that it's going to help so many people be successful. So the whole I don't know takes that out of it because this gives you all the answers that you need. So with that, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. So with that, if you have any questions, concerns, put it in the comments below, or DM me if you're seeing this on Facebook. I'm not sure if I'm going to post it on YouTube or not. But yeah, so let me know what you think. And also, if you want more information about this for your business, let me know too. I got you. I got a special deal. I'll get you on. Yeah. But anyway, take care, be safe, and be blessed.